stressful. I've already cried like twice today. Basically, we are on our way to Bora Bora, which is so exciting. I'm so blessed that I get to do this, but we're leaving Thailand right now. We just had a flight because we were on a small island in Thailand. We were on a flight that took us to the airport in Bangkok. Turns out there's 2 airports in Bangkok, and we flew into the wrong one, and we might miss our flight to go back to LA right now. I'm just like kind of freaking out. We have like 7 flights today or something, so it's a fun one. Hello guys, we are currently in China, and by we I mean me because Mia is not here. Basically, we were like getting through security. You have to go through another security check when you get here. Mia realized that her laptop is still on the plane, like she left it on the plane. Mia is right now looking for her laptop. I am alone in the airport in China. This has just been literally the most stressful travel day of our lives. We were just talking about how we're so happy that like we're finally able to relax and nothing's going wrong, and then all of a sudden she realizes her laptop's not with her. I'm gonna show you guys around the China airport. I don't really know where I am, but there's some cool things here. So there's these little machines where I think you scan it and then you choose. Cute. So I'm on the flight. Mia's still not here yet. Stress eating. Look who just walked in! Oh my god. This is our 3rd flight, but this has been the most stressful travel.
I've ran more in an airport than I've walked. I literally changed into my sneakers because it's like, I cannot wear sandals.
We've done like a full cardio workout throughout our travel experience.
I literally, I'm spending more of the time running than I am walking. There hasn't been one where we haven't ran.
Okay, we almost just missed the last flight.
Log you on your phone now, Chloe.
Yes! Nat is here. Adeline! We almost missed this flight, I'm not even lying. We're about to get on. It's a private plane, feeling bougie, bad and bougie. Sideways, sideways. We made it! I don't know how we made it, but we did. We are on the flight. What do you think, Mia? Oh. Wow. Our seats. Looking forward to an amazing week with all of you. So, cheers! Woo!
And we have a birthday! It's your birthday!
We have a birthday? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Jessie! Happy birthday to you! She was literally so uncomfortable.
We love a blonde queen. We do.
How excited are you to be here?
Oh, you know, only a little bit excited. Like I haven't been waiting this for like my entire life,
How
but that's okay.
excited are you that I'm here?
Oh, that you almost made it here, by the way.
Look who's here. Are you guys excited?
I am so excited. I missed you, by the way. I want to hear all about your trip.
Hello, hello. Oh, what are you guys
downtown,
secretive doing down here?
I'm watching James Charles sing.
Mia, how ready are you? She's already ready. She has the pillow on and everything. We are on our way. First class. We're flying first class.
No, we should tell them.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Here's your Caesar salad.
Perfect.
No croutons, no cheese.
Not bad for plain food. bossing Matt around. I think Matt is throwing grapes at me, but he won't admit it. Stop! Children. Are you trying to start a food fight? Food fight on the plane?
Absolutely not.
Okay, we just got off the flight. There was a red carpet. I'm on my way to my 5th flight of the day. I don't know how I'm still surviving right now. We're almost there! We made it. We're on the last flight. We're on the last flight. Oh my god, I'm so ready to take a shower and
remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
It's so pretty!
Does that make me cry?